Hey guys, so it has been a while since I posted. It's always been a while because I suck at posting on here. But anyways, we're gonna do a little clean out my closet, kinda. More so just put all my winter clothes away, bring out all my spring and summer clothes because it's supposed to be 70 all week, thankfully, because it has been freezing. It rained on my birthday. That was so upsetting. Oh yeah, I'm officially 20 now, so. Anyways, let's get to it. I've already kind of started. That's all going in the storage. To help me speed up the process, I am watching some Castle I Do It, but here is the first thing. We're taking my current underbed storage and taking out all the summer and spring stuff. I'm pulling it out so I can put all that in. I took a break because I do not feel good, really, at all. But that huge pile is gone. It is all in here now, and I still got some work to do, but we're gonna do it. Also, it took me longer than I expected because I started posting a bunch of my stuff on Depop as I was finding it. So literally all of this is now gonna be on my Depop. Some of it is already posted, some of it is going to be posted. This top, which I've never worn, I got it when I was like 14 and I haven't worn it. This one is a matching set. I loved it last year, but I can't really see myself wearing it this year. There's a skirt that will also be on my Depop. This one, I haven't decided yet, but I'm more so leaning towards Depop. This one I thrifted last year, Depop. This one will also be on my Depop. These next three are already up on my Depop. Oh, it's inside out. It's like a color blocking top with the sewing, like the rough edges with a tie in the middle. Really cute. This one I got from a girl's like small business. It is so pretty. I love it, except for it does not fit my boobs. It's meant for a medium who's small chested, and I am size D, so it doesn't work for me. That's on my Depop. This one's on my Depop. It's just a cute little sage floral tank top, and this one is also on my Depop. So like I said, some of them haven't been posted, but the last three have been posted, along with the purple flower one and one of the other ones, I think. I just realized during the whole thing that my pants weren't fully buttoned. It's buttoned over here, but it's not buttoned over here because, like I said, I don't feel good, and part of that is coming from my stomach. A lot of this also has to go into my drawers, which my drawers are already pretty full. So I need to get rid of a lot more clothes. Okay, so I got all my t-shirts in there, but that's not even the ones in one of the drawers. They're still in there, so gotta keep going. You know how I said I was feeling like crap? One of the girls at my birthday party just tested positive for COVID, and another girl's dad tested positive for COVID, so we're about to find out. Last time I took one of these was when I got home from New York, but before that I was at school and I had to sit in the bathroom, like on the floor, and the lady was like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "I'm taking a COVID test, so might want to stay away." But yeah, I have a throat, so my back is aching and I keep getting the chills, so we're about to find out, this is exactly how I felt when I got my booster shot. So that's not the best news. Okay. Let's put 6 drops into which one? The top hole. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, that didn't really get in. 3, 4, 5. I think that one got in. I don't know. Okay. second. I look terrible, but I don't care. Okay. My eyes are so watery because I sneezed so much after that. Oh my god. Alright, guys. Now we gotta wait 15 minutes. But I will say, I finished getting my wardrobe out and underneath. Not all of it, but the box I was working on and my drawers. I don't really have that much room except for my closet, so let's hope I don't have the vid. Maybe it's just cold. Maybe. Please be just cold. The test isn't even in yet, but I have a strong feeling I do because I was really cold before going down to eat dinner, and now I'm really hot coming back up, but I still don't want to take off my hoodie. This is not sponsored, but this is 100% my favorite hoodie ever. It's so thick, so comfy. It's from Fanatics. If they ever want to collab with me, I would cry because I've been dreaming of this hoodie for like ever since they came out, okay? I have been dying to have it, and for my birthday I finally got it. It is a little pricey though, but like I said, it is such good material. Oh. Just so I can show you guys what I mean by like I've been dreaming of this one forever. It says sharks in the shape of a heart, and I love sharks. My boyfriend won't let me go swimming with sharks because I told him I think it would be cool to die by shark attack. He's like, I'm never taking you scuba diving or snorkeling ever. And it shows the kill rate or whatever. It says every year an estimated 73 million sharks are killed for their fins alone. No shark and no ocean. Big problem. Yeah. They donate money to save the sharks, so highly support. Like I said, I've been dreaming of this hoodie. It's the comfiest hoodie I own. I don't ever want to take it off. Once again, not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, I'm all for it. I think it's negative. It's like the faintest. Like you can't even. Yeah, you can't see it. I think it's just because I see it from underneath. I think it's lying. I definitely think it's lying to me because I feel so shitty. But you know, whatever. Anyways, that is the end of today's vlog. Hopefully when I'm feeling better, I can shoot more content for you guys because, like I said, I suck at posting on YouTube. We'll see. We will see.